What's going on, everybody? Varsity Breaks back here after a couple weeks off. Did some moving, but welcome back to all you in the break. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it. This is our 2023 Panini National Treasures College Football 2-box break. So all your names and teams are up on the screen. Not that this break is going to take a long time, but if you don't want to watch me open the boxes and just want to see what the cards are, I will do a recap at the end of the break. Last thing I need to say is, as far as this break is concerned, there's eBay has their sweepstakes thing that you can sign up for. There's no purchase necessary. Ends 12/31/23, end of the month. Go on the description of your purchase, and there will be a link that you can click on to go see what that's all about. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into our NT break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box one. That looks kind of nice. The like holofoil. Put that there. There's our box. Assume there's yes. Oh, tape's a little harder than usual. Go up. All right. Just gonna turn these this way. We might have a redemption in the back. All right, here we go. Good luck. Well, that's not a bad way to start for the Panthers. Bryce Young, 32 out of 99. Not the best Bryce Young card you can get in this, but without the autographs, not too shabby. Panthers, Jay Latusic, 93. Congrats. Let's see. I'm just going to do this. Now, there are going to be some players here that I don't know who they, what team they play for. So, you're going to have to bear with me on some of these. Like, I think this guy. Oh, no, I know this guy. Eli Manning, Tremendous Treasures. 21 out of 25. I know there's an Ole Miss player in here. I thought maybe it was, I didn't read it. Looks like a holofoil for the Giants. And Jay Latusic. There you go. Just a big jumbo jersey. Been nice if they had thrown a patch on that or something. Good luck to you, Brett. All right. First autograph, Sean Tucker. Logo autograph, 19 of 49. This is one of the guys I looked up, and I cannot remember what team he plays for. I'm trying to rack my brain right now. 19 out of 49. It should be a 130. Yeah. Give me 1 second if I can find my phone. I know I looked him up. Bucks, that's right. Tampa Bay. Buccaneers, Jay Latusic. 3 for 3 so far. All right, next this is an RPA, purple RPA to 49 of Kendre Miller. 3 of 49, blue foil. Excuse me, not purple, blue. Definitely looks like his pen made some indents in the card. Again, another player I don't quite remember. I know I looked him up, though. That one seems thin. Let's see. They snuck another jersey card into the middle there. Miller. Saints on that one. Stridey 50 or Striddy 50. There you go, Saints. That's right, that's the same. All right. And a jumbo jersey for the Lions. Jahmyr Gibbs, 25 out of 99 for Shane Good and the Lions. Lions definitely have a handful of guys to go after in this. There you go. Another jumbo jersey, jumbo relic. All right, we got 3 autographs left. Yes. First one is going to be a Jalen Carter. NT logo. Pretty sick autograph there. Eagles. And D. Sowers, 74. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm going to save the redemption to the end. And we'll go here. And it is a pony up. Rashee Rice for the Chiefs. 35 of 49. From SMU. Double R. Sold to the guy with no feedback. Who did not pay, shockingly. Alright, let's see if we can look at this together, and maybe it'll be something cool. Team slogan signatures die cut, which is the same of the Rashee Rice we just pulled. Jackson Smith and Jigba for the Seahawks. And D. Carter, 704. Congrats. David? I don't know if that's the base. The 49 is the base. 49 kind of looks like gold foil. I don't know if this might be the 99. Anyway. Alright. That was box 1. I'll put the redemption over there. Excuse me. Jeez. Alright. Second box. Jeez. Come on. There we go. All right, good luck, everybody. A redemption on the back. Yeah, screwed up there. Hopefully it's somebody good. All right, here we go. First one. Nick Bosa to 99 for the Niners. An ISU-IA Cyclone. So you're an Iowa State and Iowa fan? No. Never mind. I read that wrong. Ignore me. Obviously, just an Iowa State fan. I thought that said IU. Here you go, Bosa. Next one is a duel. Probably have to run one on this. Yes, we will. Both from TCU. Max Dugan and Kendre Miller. Can't find the number. Oh, there it is. 96 out of 99. It's going to go Chargers for Dugan, and we just had Miller, and he is, I want to say the Saints. So Chargers is Jay Letusik, and the Saints is Stridey, 50. So that'll be random at the end of the break. That one over there. All right, next we have an autograph of Tanner McKee, 17 out of 99. Tanner McKee. I know I looked him up too, and I cannot for the life of me remember. I'm sure someone will tell me. Quarterback for... Tanner McKee. Saints again? No, it can't be. Eagles. That's right. There's another one for the Eagles. Second Eagles hit. Going to D. Sowers. Congrats. Probably going to be hard for him to find playing time. Next one. 25. Pride of the Valley. Jake Haener. Fresno State. Cool. Oh, I looked. He was the last one I looked up to. I want to say Rams. I think that's wrong. Oh, that's a nice one. Jake. Oh, he's the Saints quarterback. Okay. Here's another one for the Saints. 325 for Stridey, 50. Oh, congrats. Well, this is a beast. Another Jackson Smith and Jigba for the Seahawks. Chick-fil-A Peach Bowl. Nice patch. 3 out of 5. Seahawks. David, congrats. Nice one. Let's see. 3 out of 5. There. Yes, very nice. Just because I have so many of these, I'm going to put it in a one-touch. I'm trying to find ways to get rid of these things. The higher point ones. So much of the baseball stuff we break doesn't even have. It's a little bit. Let's see. Go. It's worth showing off a little bit. Not going to see it, but there you go. All right. Next one up. Oh, seriously? Another Jalen Carter. Silhouette. College Silhouette Signatures. 66 out of 98. Jalen Carter. Eagles, another one for those Eagles and D. Sowers. Third Eagles hit, I think. Congrats. Is that other Jalen? There it is. All right, last is the RPA. Oh, no, Silhouettes again, and this is Hendon Hooker. This is now purple foil. 19 out of 25. Nice patch for the Lions. There we go. Congrats to Shane Good and the Lions. All right, and the last one. Oh, that's a good one. I think I'm going to butcher his last name because I heard it on some highlights last weekend, but team logo signatures of Devin Achane. I can't remember how they pronounced it, but it did not sound. I remember it did not sound like I thought it was going to sound. Why is that so here? There you go. It's for the Dolphins. And a Jay Latusik rounding it out. Chain. All right, that was a nice way to end it. All right, that's the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. We do have to run the random on this one, which I will do after I do the quick recap. So just give me 1 second. We only got one RPA? Yeah. I'll just do these separate. 25, 49. All right. All right, here we go. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, here we go. Recap of our 2023 Panini National Treasures College Football or Collegiate Football 2-box break. Got some nice stuff here. So here are our base cards. We had a Nick Bosa to 99, and then a nice Bryce Young rookie to also to 99. Relics, a duel of Max Dugan and Kendra Miller to 99. A nice jumbo of Jahmyr Gibbs to 99. And then a Eli Manning to 25. Again, jumbo relic. Pull that. Gotta random that rule. All right, on to our autographs. To 99, Tanner McKee. National Treasures rookie autograph. Hold on. Now that I got to go back a little bit. Sorry, hold on. There we go. Here we go. McKee for, who did we say it was for? The Saints? Shit, I can't remember. Oh well. Then we got, these are your logos. This is an NT logo. Jalen Carter. And then from Syracuse, Sean Tucker. Both to 49. These are the, what are these called? Team slogan signatures. Had a few of these. Had Pony Up, Rashee Rice for the Chiefs. 49, and then to 25, Jake Hayner. This is the guy who plays for the Saints, sorry. Pride of the Valley from Fresno State. And we had two silhouettes. A Hendon Hooker to 25, Lions. And a Jalen Carter to 99, Eagles. And our one RPA from the two boxes was a Kendra Miller for the Saints, 3 out of 49. And we had two redemptions. First was a team slogan Signatures die cuts, as I mentioned. Jackson Smith and Jigba for the Seahawks. And then a Devin Achane logo signatures for the Dolphins. And then our big, I don't want to say our big hit, but our nicest hit probably was a Jackson Smith and Jigba red foil Chick-fil-A bull patch, numbered out of 5 for the Seahawks. And that's going to do it for the break. I'll do the draw here real quick. We got Dugan with the Chargers and Miller with the Saints. So if you give me 1 second, I will get this set up. Probably should grab this. So we'll do Saints, Chargers, Saints, Chargers. Okay. Here we go. Four times on the draw. Whoever ends up at the top gets the card. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final time. Good luck. Going to the Saints. Saints got a lot of hits here. And the Saints was, I already forgot. Striddy. There you go. That's going to you, buddy. All right. And that's going to do it. Thanks again, everyone, for joining. I appreciate it. What did I just do? There we go. And I hope to see you next time. I'll be right back with our next break. It's supposed to start in about 5 minutes. And that is our Bowman Chrome Sapphire break. So until then, thanks, everybody. See you.